Welcome back to another day. So right now we're in the hotel room.
Woo!
And there's my mom.
Hello.
We're going for breakfast.
Morning.
Mommy says good morning.
He's a kung fu fighter.
This is what the room looks like. This is a sofa bed over there. We have a dining table. There is a kitchen. And we have the bathroom. There is my room. We need to quickly go down for breakfast before they close. So let's go. I'm not sure if I'm the right section. I got off the wrong floor. We're gonna go back up again. I feel like I'm in a spaceship. Yo, we got split up. I went down.
My mom is upstairs. We came downstairs.
She was on the phone and she didn't want to get disconnected, so yeah.
Such a good person. Right now we're on the way to breakfast, but look over here. Oh my god.
So nice.
This is like a dream Instagram picture.
Finally found a seat. I'm quickly gonna go and get some food. We just finished having breakfast and look at the view ahead of us.
What?
Oh my god, look at these chairs. Back in the room right now, and the view from here, check it out, we can see like all the London buses. Right now we're about to go out with my mom. We just got off the taxi. Look at the view behind me. Me and my mom have come quickly here to explore. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're just walking through this cemetery. All the tombs are very big. Not sure, but I think they're very ancient. There's more over there. What is that? A squirrel! Hi! I'm quickly gonna go. It's really cold. Mommy, you're freezing. I'll continue vlogging once we get somewhere. Oh my god, guys, there's a Bugatti. Look at that.
What you driving? I said, Bugatti.
We just quickly came to the nail salon. You can pick the colors. So the nails are finally done. Thank you guys. Okay, we're done from the salon. We're gonna meet up with my brother now. It's so cold. Just came quickly to the restaurant right now. My brother's here.
Yo, 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 yo. Oh my god. Goodbye.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. So right now we have woken up, we're about to go for breakfast, and I wanted to show you the amazing view in front of me. Check this out. Look at this. That's the Big Ben, guys. You know that big clock? It's actually under construction, so right now they're like building it up. I'm not sure what they're doing. Good morning, Mo.
Good morning.
These corridors are so nice, right? Like, they have paintings on every section.
Oh, there's paintings?
Just made it for breakfast right now, and I got my favorite chocolate, Nutella, some eggs with peanut butter and cheese, and my mom's having breakfast. And Mo, are you guys ready?
I'm ready to go.
We just came outside right now, and check out this place. Wow, look at this. We are reaching a bridge right now, and we have the lion, DJ Khaled. Wow.
We're right next to the river.
He's talking to himself. Can we like go? Look, that's an amazing thumbnail. Oh my god. The Big Ben is right in front of us. Check this out. Look at that view. Alright, we're going back now. Right now we came to the mall here, and it looks beautiful. Look at the ceiling. This is like the Christmas design.
Wow.
That is so cool.
That's the nicest color change I've
That's a
seen.
notepad with like a fish fin on it, and it changes colors. I think we should get this. They even have the book. Look. Wow. This is actually a makeup store. Would you believe that? There's a mirror over here, and you can like try it on.
Wow. Yo, you just forgot. Look at the chandeliers. Oh my goodness, palm tree chandeliers.
Wow. These are the ones that you can draw on. Show that. That is so cool. Lana, but it's not coming out good. Okay, you get the idea, guys. Right now we came to the jungle here. This is such a cool background. Look at this. This is some really cool books they have here. How to tell if your cat is plotting to kill you. That is so funny. And this one also. Things to do while you poo. 52 things to do. We'll be heading back to the hotel. We're leaving the mall right now. Alright, so we're finally back in the hotel right now, and this is actually our last day in London. No, sorry, my bad. Tomorrow's our last day in London.